The credit union that kind of jumped out at me was Royal Credit Union. And then one of the reasons is I really believe in community. And Royal Credit Union was all over the place in community functions. Hi, my name is Leighton, and I've been a member of Royal Credit Union since 2019. Can I talk about like the accident? Because that's where Royal Credit Union was really beneficial to me. About 4.5 years ago, I got in an accident, a body surfing accident in Hawaii, and I fractured 3 of my vertebrae, my C1, C3, and C5. And I was in the hospital for about 2 months. And when I came back, I had no way of getting around. I could barely walk. I couldn't drive for sure. But one of the benefits of the Royal Credit Union was that I was able to do all my banking at home. I could do it online. I have the bill paying. So I had all my bills paid directly. I didn't have to do anything with it. And that was so beneficial during that time of my accident. Royal Credit Union was the first place I ever went to after my accident, because it was about 150 yards from me. They were so kind. They knew all my difficulties I was going through. They saw me with the walker. At that time, I could barely write. So they would write out my checks and everything like that for me, and I would just sign it. And they were just so great. They were so empathetic, towards that. And anytime I had a problem, they would solve it for me. And they did it in like a professional, a nice way. It's like being with neighbors or something like that. They just help you out. For me, Royal Credit Union is such a community-based institution. And I love that about the Royal Credit Union. That's what brought me to it. And I see the Royal Credit Union on lots of different things. And that's really a big thing for me.